everyone, welcome to Enjoy Learning Computer Science. In this video, I'm going to showcase my mini game hub project which was developed for the International Teachers Training Program conducted by Stampedia Pictoblox. Trust me, it was a really good experience to code these kinds of projects. I enjoyed each and every line of code, and thanks to Stampedia for giving this opportunity. Let's dive into the program. So I just created a program called Mini Play Hub, right? So Mini Game Hub, I'm sorry. So in that I have created 3 games. One is Hangman, then the word scramble and typing speed test. So first I created a menu where the user will be able to choose any one game among these 3. So 4 options. 1 is Hangman, 2 is word scramble, 3 is typing speed test, and the 4th one is to exit. Okay, so according to the user choice, the user can select the game. The first one is the Hangman game, where I created a list of words with different words like Pictoblox, Python, coding, Toby, Sprite. I love Sprite and Toby. That's what Toby I have included. And then I use random function to randomly choose any one of the words. And then I just check whether the guess letter by the user, if it is not an alphabet or a single character, then I just printed a message, please enter a single alphabetic character. Or if the user enters already guessed character, then again I want to display a message, already guessed, guess again. So then each time a user guesses the correct option, it will be added in a list. And then finally, if the guessed word is correct, wow, good guess, that message will be displayed. If not, sorry, wrong guess. So number of tries left also will be displayed. So this is the Hangman game. The next one is the word scramble game. More or less created the same word list of strings, and then I randomly choose one string, one word, and then the user have to, it will be unscramble the particular word. So and the guessed word by the user and the word which is given is both are correct, then correct, you unscrambled it, that message will come. Then the third one is another interesting game, typing speed test. Kids will love this actually. So I just initially I have created a list called sentences which has 5 strings. Pictoblox is interesting to learn. Stampedia is a great platform for beginners. Enjoy learning Python, explore. Never stop learning new things. Let's explore, experiment and create new solutions. I love these sentences. Okay. Then I randomly selected any one sentence among this using the random function. Then here to calculate the time, I have used time function. I imported time and I'm using time method, the starting time and the ending time before and after start typing. And then I calculated the elapsed time, end time minus the starting time, and counted the word and calculated the accuracy using the formula word per minute is equal to word count divided by elapsed time into 60. So this is how I calculated the accuracy, everything. This is my code. Now let's see how this works, right? I'm opening, run. Okay, so welcome to the mini game hub. Quite interesting. 1 play Hangman, 2 play word scramble, 3 typing speed test, 4 exit. So let me give number 1, press enter. It's time to play Hangman. Guess a letter. Okay, let me guess O. Good guess. M. No, wrong guess. So tries left it is displaying. Then maybe C. Oh right, I guessed the word. I gave the word, so it is giving congratulations, you guessed the word, that is coding. So when I'm guessing the word correctly, it is congratulating me. If I'm not guessing correctly, it will say wrong. You didn't find out the word. The word is like the sorry. It will display a message. Then I'm giving the choices to unscramble. So it is. So let me guess wrongly. It is giving the word as network. Again, let me try to unscramble. So it is giving the same word, so I was able to correct. Yes, correct, use unscrambled it. Okay, now the third one is the typing speed test. So I am giving the option as 3. So the sentence it is giving is never stop learning new things. So press enter to start. So I'm just pressing enter, and then I'm giving never stop learning new things. Okay, there's a full stop, enter. So what it is giving, time taken is 11.85 seconds, words per minute 25.32, and the accuracy is 100%. And then finally the fourth option is I'm giving us 4 to exit. Thanks for playing. See you next time. That is my last message. Hope you must have liked it. Hope you must have enjoyed the code, enjoyed the game. Thanks for watching. Please comment, and any suggestions or any improvement if you want to let me know, kindly comment. Thanks for watching. Enjoy learning computer science. Bye bye.